wants to close a big case. But most advisors have no idea what actually happens after a wealthy client says yes. That's why they lose control. That's why deals die in underwriting. And that's why you need a playbook, not a pitch deck. Today I'll walk you through my step-by-step Big Case Playbook, the same framework I've used for 20+ years to close premium financed and self-funded cases from $250,000 to $2 million in annual premium. I'm John McDonough. For 2 decades, I've worked with business owners, executives, and global families to design and implement advanced life insurance portfolios. And here's the truth. Big cases aren't about luck or leads. They're about process, positioning, and precision. Step 1. Target the right client. Stop chasing everyone. Big cases start with pre-qualification. The right client checks 3 boxes. Number 1, income or liquidity. They can fund $250,000 plus annual premium. Number 2, problem size, estate tax, liquidity, or business succession. Number 3, professional ecosystem. They have a CPA, attorney, or banker involved. If you're not starting here, the rest of your process doesn't matter. Step 2, the authority intro. Never cold pitch. Your first conversation should be an introduction, ideally from a COI or mutual contact. Your script: I work with a small number of business owners and families who are already successful but need more efficient structures for liquidity and estate planning. That may or may not be you. Happy to share what I do and see if it fits. That language disarms. It positions you as selective, not needy. Step 3, discovery and diagnosis. Discovery is not, tell me about your goals. It's data plus emotion. You need to uncover net worth and liquidity structure, existing life insurance portfolio, business ownership and trust structure, family decision dynamics, but most importantly, you diagnose fear, friction, and false beliefs. That's what stops progress, not math. Step 4, design strategy, self-funded vs. financed. Every case comes down to 2 paths: self-funded, client pays premiums directly; premium financed. Bank provides leverage, client pledges collateral. Your job is to illustrate both, side by side, not sell one. Teach the trade-offs, because clarity closes, confusion kills. Step 5, COI alignment and trust transfer. This is where most advisors fail. They isolate the COIs instead of integrating them. Before the proposal, say, I want your CPA and attorney looped in early so they can pressure test assumptions and confirm structure. That turns skeptics into allies and puts you at the center of the table. Step 6, underwriting and lender coordination. This is the execution trench. Big cases die here because the advisor loses control. You need a system: carrier submission checklist, medical and financial doc coordination, lender presentation and term negotiation, weekly progress reporting. If you don't own the follow-up rhythm, you lose momentum and trust. Step 7, policy funding and post-close management. The close isn't the end. It's the beginning of a 15-20 year relationship. You must have annual policy reviews, collateral release triggers, ongoing lender communication, exit strategy documentation. This is what separates salespeople from wealth architects. That's the step-by-step Big Case Playbook. 7 stages: predictable, repeatable, scalable. Inside the JMac Method Elite Case Closer Academy, I give you the checklists, templates, scripts, and lender coordination workflows that make this process turnkey. If you're ready to stop winging it and start running your practice like a private family office, apply using the link below. Because the difference between a 10K producer and a 1 million producer isn't talent, it's systems.